check out this new eye movement technique that helps you sleep better and deeper. No pills. Hi, Dr. Paul Haider, Master Herbalist and Health and Wellness Instructor, going on 36 years now. 1,300 videos here for you to use to get healthy with. Please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Well, if you're one of these people who wakes up multiple times in the middle of the night and you can't get to sleep, or you find that you just can't fall asleep, this technique may help. It seems to help some people. Some people it works for a while, and some people it doesn't work for. They actually works on a premise of REM sleep. When you're in REM sleep, a particular area of deep sleep, and there is deep sleep also. REM sleep, your eyes, you're closed and your eyes are moving around, and it works on the premise that this kind of triggers a deeper sleep reaction for the body. And it's very, very simple. I'm going to show you this now. I'm going to leave my eyes open just so I can show you. But first of all, you move your eyes around in one direction, but very slowly, as slow as possible. You probably do that slower than I did. And then the other way. And then up and down. And then side to side. And you do the whole thing over again. You can do that 10 or 12 times, 15 times, each one of those segments of different types of eye movements, and that helps you to fall asleep. Does it work? Well, I tried it myself and I slept better. And you may find that it doesn't work for you, or does work for you, or may work for a while. But I'm telling you, a lot of people don't sleep, and even people who have anxiety and panic attacks and things like that, just about nothing is going to help until you get rid of that stress. That stress is all important, and you need to get a hold of me. So there you have it, a simple technique for getting into sleep, getting into deeper sleep and staying asleep. If you wake up in the middle of the night, start doing this again, and it does seem to work for a lot of people. Plus, it's free. It doesn't cost you a thing. What can you do? You can't go wrong with it. If you have something going on, give me a call at 831-869-9119. 831-869-9119. I have a lady right now with cancer, and she couldn't even walk around the house hardly. And I started with her on Thursday, and by Monday, she was able to go out to the grocery store and walk around and get around. And in a week, she was very heavy. She's lost in 1 week 23 pounds. And finally, she cut her pain meds by 90%. Wow. In 1 week. So something is changing, and we're going to get her in the tip-top shape. 831-869-9119. Also, remember God, remember I love you. And a great sage said, you do not have to place energy into motion around any feeling. To do or not to do this is your choice. Many people do not know this. Yeah, that's right. We don't have to, we can feel anger, we can feel love or whatever, but we don't have to put it into action. We can think about this and feel it deep down inside, then decide. I love you.